Welcome to Utpa channel. In this video, we will show you how to generate realistic and unlimited videos using ChatGML. Whether you are a content creator or a beginner, this guide will open new doors for your creativity. Let's dive in and explore the power of AI video generation. So what you need to do is to log in into your browser, whichever browser you are using. Whether you are using Chrome or you are using Firefox or you are using Opera Mini, whichever browser you are using, log into your browser. But as for me, I'm using Chrome and type in ChatGLM. So yeah, it's a Chinese app. Site. So you click on it. The first one, this one. You click on this. This is the interface, and it has it is Chinese site, and everything is written in Chinese. But you can translate this one to English. Just click on this dot. Let me show it to you. So you click on this one. When you click on it, you scroll down and you see translate. You have to translate it to English. Yeah, it is now. You can understand. Can you see now? Now here, this is the interface of this website. It's a powerful AI website where you can generate awesome video. Do you understand now? So now what you are going to do now is to, here now you cannot use anything. You cannot generate video here, this interface. The first thing you are going to do is to log in. You click on login. So when you click on login, this is the interface again. And then this site requires only mobile number. It's only phone number you can use to sign in. But here now, I've tested it in Nigeria. They don't accept Nigeria. There are some country that you can't accept. They don't accept it. For example, Nigeria, if you log in with your phone number, Nigeria, it might not go. It might not log in. So you can use there are some countries they accept, like USA, like United Kingdom. They accept those countries. So as for me, I want to use United States. And how we now get the number for United States? There's a site called Receive SMS. You can just click on it, on Receive SMS. So this is a site. Then you can look for a number, temporary number you can use to sign in. You understand now? You know, this is a US number. This is a US number. So let me use this one. Let me use this one because this is a US number. So you close this. This is a number now. Just long click and copy. Yeah, it is. Just click to copy. The number now is copied. The number will be copied. Now let's go back to our this thing. Then let's search for the code, the country code. You see, which is a +1. Then you now insert the number. No. So yeah, put this number now. Then we click on get verification. Click on get verification. Make sure you use it correctly. Yeah, I think that one is run down. So I think, yeah, the SMS has been sent. So we now go back to that we have received SMS. Let's refresh it. Then let's go back to update. You click on update message. Click on update message. Can we see now? Our code is already there. You copy it. Copy the code. Then let's go back again. Yeah, let's post our code here now. Yeah, that's our code. Good. We have been logging. So now we have been logging. Now we can now generate yes, we have been logging now. So here now we can generate image. We can also generate video. If you want to generate image, you click here to generate image. You see this AI drawing. That's where you click to generate image. But if you want to generate video, you click on this. You click on this. That's where you click to generate your video. So let's try, and this one it has also ChatGML. It's just like ChatGPT. You can use these tools just to generate idea for you. You understand? Now ChatGPT, if you click on it now, it will generate okay, let me give me a story about, just give any idea, or maybe give me action movie script. You understand now? So action movie script that generates video script for us for an action movie. So that is what can do. So then the next thing now is that we can also use it to generate image. So you click on AI drawing. So when you click on AI drawing, you can generate image with prompt. Can you see? These are the image other content creator has already generated. Because in this image now you can click on any image and remix. If you like any image here, you can click on it and remix it. It's going to generate the same image or similar image with this one. You understand now? So you can also generate image with prompt. As for me, I have a prompt that I can use to generate image. I have prompt here. I use to generate. So I'm copy this prompt. Select. I'm copying it. Copy. Then we go back. So paste our prompt here. So that's our prompt. After your prompt, you click here for aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio. If for YouTube, that's a 16:9. If for TikTok or Facebook, 9:16. But for me, I'm creating for YouTube, is 15:9. Here you can see the effect. This is the effect of the something. So you can, let me translate. Should be translate to English. This is style. You can choose any style you want. Then the spell, you can choose anyone you should like. Natural light. Then you click on send. after you choose your decision, you click on send. Sorry, don't want this. So, and this is sent here.
If you find this video interesting, please subscribe, like, and share so that you can be notified for any video I will be uploading.
This one, yeah. You click on it. It's going to generate our image, and it's going to generating 4 images for us. You can see now our images is generated. You can view it. You can see now it's very realistic image. You can see now. So you can choose another one, anyone you like. You can pick anyone you like. You understand now? So if you want to generate, you see download image here. See download image. This is where you click here. Download image. Then you download your image. Do you understand now? That's how to generate image. Now we are going to generate our video. If you want to generate video, you click on this. You click on this one. Yeah, copyright. Yeah, that's where you click. So when you click on it, it's going to, this is the interface of where you are going to generate our video. Let's use the same prompt. You can use image. You can use image. You can upload image. Easy where you upload your image. As for me, I'm using prompt. So the same prompt I use here. You can use these are the settings. I'm setting it with 1080p. 1080p. I'm leaving it for 16:9. The frame at 30. I'm leaving like that. Then 5 seconds. But the 10 seconds is only for VIP. For VIP, if you upgrade, you can use 10 seconds. If you like sound, you can put sound. You can on it. Remove watermark is also for the pro version, the pro user. Then as for me now, I'm leaving everything the way it is and click send. You click on send. Do you understand now? So when you click on send, you wait a little. So wait a little. I think it's generating now. Yeah, in the queue. The only thing is that this video generation is slow. You understand now? It's very slow. So you have to wait till the video is generated. So this is how you can use ChatGML for to generate awesome and realistic video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.